Hello, this is Stephen J 9414. Happy Thanksgiving and welcome to another video. Alright, so I'm done with the Thanksgiving festivities for this season. So I had some time here on my day off, and I'm going to go ahead and run the Lady Anne again, this time with the GoPro. So try to keep that lit, stay lit. Take a few tries. Pulled just that one coach combine that I've put on video before. That one coach came all the way from Canada, and yes, the dogs are running around still. All right, I did a little bit of further tuning. I moved the left D valve over there around forward, aft turn. It seemed to run better on air. But I have not tested on Steam, so I'm pretty sure it'll run a little bit better. But I'm only running one combine right now, just to light consist until they got fully dialed. It's very close though. So since it's only one combine, I decided to just go ahead and hook them up. I no need to go ahead and have it back in over there and run by itself for this, I hope. But I do know it runs, because I ran it since it's been rebuilt. Now I just gotta get the clear cylinders. Maybe too soon. The other minute or so. Maybe not. Let's see. It's about 20. So it's getting there. It's enough pressure to these clear cylinders. Well, considering it's not going to reverse. I'm going to reverse in there after last modify, but it is also in the process of clearing the cylinders as well. That could just be it. So now there's a forward bias. I run mostly forward. I'll have to play with timing other day. Yeah, getting close though. Yeah. Thank you all. It's a bit late in the day, but I hope you enjoyed your Thanksgiving.